Malaysia. We come to Chinan to visiting a blue elephant for CNC CNC 3-rotor machines, and for when we come here, it's so amazing place. And we also have look by Nancy. It's so friendly here. We also can she also bring us to see other machines as we request to see, and that was so amazing machines, and the latest machine that we see here. It's the best feeling ever here. So if you guys want to see missions or find missions, you can come and find blue elephants for more informations, and you can see their factory where they produce the machines, and that was so amazing, and the details so full that you want to see. Also great welcome from them. So good for your house.
Thank you.
Thank you.